The 25mm machine gun system, MGS, Mk38, is a 25mm automatic gun system that provides ships with a defensive and offensive gunfire capability for the engagement of a variety of surface targets. It is designed to provide close-range defense against patrol boats, swimmers, floating mines, and various targets ashore, including enemy personnel, lightly armored vehicles, and terrorist threats. 1 crewman is required for operation and 2 for maintenance. Also known as Bushmaster, this weapon is a navalized version of the chain gun, an externally powered weapon developed by Hughes for the US Army as the Mk242. The Mk38 replaced the obsolete 20mm Mk67 guns, which had high maintenance requirements. The Mk38 guns are maintained in a rotatable pool, available for temporary installation on various deploying ships and permanent installation on certain amphibious and auxiliary ships, patrol craft, and coast guard cutters. This system consists of the M242 autocannon and the Mk88 machine gun mount. The M242 autocannon is an externally powered, dual-feed, single-barrel weapon which may be fired in semi-automatic or automatic modes. In the automatic mode, the rate of fire is approximately 175 rounds per minute. The M242 does not depend on gases for operation but instead utilizes an electric motor, located in the receiver, to drive all the moving parts inside the cannon. Ammunition feeding, loading and firing, extraction, and ejection are all done by the motor. The Mk88 machine gun mount train and elevation is controlled manually by the gun operator. In the event of a major malfunction, the M242 autocannon can be removed from the mount and another autocannon installed in 5 minutes by 2 people. Due to the maximum elevation rate of 55 degrees, the Mk38 has only limited anti-air warfare importance. Therefore, Mk38 is mainly used against surface targets like mines and boats. The primary component of the Mk38 is the 25mm M242 Bushmaster. It is an externally powered, chain-driven gun. The Bushmaster uses an electric motor to drive the moving parts for ammunition feeding, loading, firing, extraction, and cartridge ejection. The mass of the M242 on the Mark 38 MGS is 109 kg, 240 pounds. It has a single-shot semi-automatic mode, for single shots, a burst mode, for a few shots at a time, a low-rate fully automatic, LIFA, mode, for a rate of fire, ROF, of about 100 rounds per minute, RPM, and a high-rate fully automatic, HIFA, mode, for a maximum ROF of about 200 RPM. The Mk38 MGS can realistically sustain about 180 RPM while on HIFA. The weapon's muzzle velocity is 1,345 meters per second, 4,410 feet per second for armor-piercing ammunition, or 1,100 meters per second, 3,600 feet per second for high-explosive ammunition. The M242's maximum firing range is 6,800 meters, 7,400 yards, with an effective firing range of about 3,000 meters, 3,300 yards. However, the Mk38 has an estimated effective firing range of about 2,500 meters. The latest Mk38 Mod 3 mounting has further upgraded interfaces and control consoles. The EO-TIR sensor and laser rangefinder, integrated with the system's fire control system, provide a 330-degree view, even in extremely low light conditions. The surveillance system can move independently of the turret itself, intended to minimize attention drawn from targets. In addition to the 25mm M242 Bushmaster, the Mod 3 can optionally mount a coaxial 7.62mm Bushmaster Mark 52 chain gun, which has a ROF of 500 to 60.